Hey guys, welcome to our top coat application tutorial video. I believe you have seen that we have applied our top coat to all our projects. It may seem easy, but I assure you it's not. So there are a lot of steps and small details that we take to ensure a proper application. So later in the video, we will be showing you how we actually do it in details so that you, as an installer, can get it done properly.
As a countertop surface is small, you will not need as many applicators compared to other larger surfaces. You may follow our recommended manpower listed on screen. For equipments, the following are recommended. Sponge rollers in 4 inches and 6 inches. Avoid standard hair rollers to prevent any loose hairs from sticking on top coat. Paint trays for storing of top coat for application. Ensure rollers are de-shedded with tapes by rolling it over a few times to get rid of loose hair. Ensure roller on frames are adjusted so it is not too tight and it can roll over surfaces easily instead of being stuck. Remember to sand the surface if bumps or foreign particles are present. Thorough cleaning of area to ensure a smooth top coat finish. Do not use any form of alcohol or thinner chemicals to clean the surface as it may risk having residue and affect the top coat. Ensure work area has minimized traffic and airflow. Always pre-plan the sections to be done and the direction to coat instead of attempting to apply the entire top in one go. Start from one end of the top and work towards the other end. Soaking the roller with sufficient top coat for each roll is key to having a smooth finish. The roller cannot be too wet whereby it will drip continuously. If there is a skirting for the counter, do an initial roll for it first before starting on the main top. Use a 6-inch roller and roll the excess top coat in the middle of the counter and spread it across the skirting or walls and edge of the counter. This way, the excess top coat can be spread evenly throughout the roll. For counters, a single dip will allow you to have 4 rolls of coverage before going to the next dip. After it has been spread across the 4 rolls, do a back roll from where you started till the end of the 4th roll. You will need to overlap the back rolls to prevent roller marks. Repeat this process till you are done with the counter surface. After which, go back to the skirting of the counter and do a top-up rollover. Do be careful to not touch the counter surface when rolling the skirting. The final areas to do will be the vertical edges of the counter. Do not forget to do that. It requires a lot of practice to get a good top coat finish, so do not be afraid to do more projects and ultimately it would get easier.